Best trailer lighting kits. Number 3. Some Submersible Square Red White LED Stop Turn Tail License Brake Trailer Light Kit. Functions as stop turn tail rear/side reflector side marker and license illuminator. On left, acrylic lens is screwed onto the housing. Light dimension: 4 and 9/16 inches height, 5 and 3/16 inches width, 2 and 3/4 inches depth. High visibility safety lights are easy to mount. Includes 1 pair multifunctions tail lights. Low heat, low current, high reliability, faster on and off, and you can install as many LED lights. Pros: very bright tail lights for your trailer. Compact and well sealed in order to be waterproof. Lights provide a nice upgrade to an older system for your trailer. Holds up really well in water. Cons: directions for installation are lacking. Kit only contains short amount of wire and must be installed on an existing trailer lighting system. Bottom line: lights in this set work well and are great for both trailers, because they are rated waterproof. Number 2. Maxx Hall Square Submersible Trailer Light Kit. Kit includes stop, tail and turn signal lights, 2 amber clearance lights and wiring harness. Includes 23 and 4-foot 4-pole color-coded wiring harness. High visibility LED tail lights last longer than standard incandescent lights. Complies with DOT standards. Side lens are with standard bulb. Corrosion resistant housing. For trailers less than 80 inch wide. Includes 23-foot wiring harness with UV coated jacket. Pros: waterproof and submersible. Kit includes everything you will need to put lights on your trailer. Heavy duty copper wiring. Nice size for shorter trailers. Clear instructions. Easy to install. Great value. Cons: while the tail lights are LED, the side lights for this are still incandescent. Water gets inside the housing. Bottom line: bright LED lighting for the tail lights at an affordable price. Number 1. Blazer Products Low Profile Submersible Trailer Light Kit. LED Low Profile Submersible Trailer Light Kit. Works with 12-volt systems. Universal, easy surface mounting on 2 inches or 4 inches mounting center. Electronics are epoxy coated for a second layer of defense against moisture and corrosion. 8 functions: stop, tail, turn, rear and side reflex, rear clearance, side marker and license illumination. Pros: rated for use with trailers over 80 feet in length. Also can be used with shorter units. Decent replacement lights that work very well. Fully waterproof. Simple installation. Rectangular design offers a better fit for some trailers. Connects well to existing wiring. Cons: the wire length that comes with this set is a little short. Bottom line: set provides a solid heavy-duty lighting option for longer trailers. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.